Crafting Click-Worthy Thumbnails, a guide to engaging videos. In the vast digital landscape where attention spans are fleeting, the role of thumbnails has become pivotal in capturing the audience's interest. Whether on YouTube or Instagram, these miniature visuals serve as the first impression of your content, enticing users to click and explore further. In this video, we will explore how you can make the most out of thumbnails to gain more exposure. In the fast-paced world of digital content consumption, the importance of thumbnails cannot be overstated. These small yet powerful visuals serve as gateways to the content they represent, acting as the first point of contact with potential viewers. Creating click-worthy thumbnails is a form of art that content creators must practice to thrive in the competitive online environment. Determining your brand's look. Before diving in, it is crucial to establish a consistent visual identity for your brand. The colors, fonts, the graphics, and overall aesthetic should align with your brand's personality, fostering immediate recognition. This visual cohesion sets the foundation for thumbnails that not only capture attention, but also reinforce brand recall. One important tip is avoid misleading thumbnails related to your content. Clickbaiting, for example, can easily backfire on your channel. What makes a thumbnail stand out and be click-worthy? Number 1, contrast and vibrancy. Thumbnails that make effective use of contrast and vibrant colors tend to stand out in a sea of content. The goal is to catch the eye and evoke curiosity, prompting users to click for more. Number 2, clear and crisp imagery. Clarity is key when it comes to thumbnails. Using high-resolution images ensures that the visual elements are sharp and easily discernible, even in smaller sizes. Number 3, compelling imagery. The thumbnail should provide a sneak peek into the content, sparking interest without giving away too much. An intriguing image or graphic can create a sense of anticipation, encouraging viewers to click for the full story. Number 4, text optimization. If including text in your thumbnail, keep it concise and legible. Use bold, easy-to-read fonts and limit the text to a few words or a short phrase that complements the visual element. The role of a thumbnail. A thumbnail serves as the ambassador of your content, communicating the essence of what awaits the viewer after hitting the play button. Its primary roles include attracting attention. A fraction of a second, that's all you got for grabbing attention. Your thumbnail must be a beacon that draws the viewer's mind. It should be visually striking and convey the essence of your content within seconds. Setting expectations. A well-crafted thumbnail sets expectations about the content. It should align with the tone and subject matter of the video, ensuring that viewers who click are genuinely interested in that topic. Increasing click-through rates. The ultimate goal of a thumbnail is to entice users to click and engage with your content. A compelling thumbnail increases click-through rates, driving more traffic to your videos or posts. Now let's talk about the difference between thumbnails on YouTube and Instagram. What's the difference? While both platforms heavily rely on thumbnails to capture attention, there are notable differences. Let's talk about YouTube thumbnails. YouTube thumbnails often include a combination of imagery and text, summarizing the content and encouraging clicks. They should be attention-grabbing, considering the plethora of options users encounter in search results and recommendation feeds. And now, Instagram thumbnails. On Instagram, the first frame of a video serves as the de facto thumbnail. Creators must carefully curate this initial visual, as it plays a crucial role in enticing users to tap and view the entire video. It should encapsulate the essence of the content and spark curiosity. Conclusion. In the digital realm, where every scroll presents an opportunity for engagement, the significance of thumbnails cannot be emphasized enough. Thumbnail creation is a delicate blend of creativity, strategy, and brand consistency. Understand the unique demands of platforms like YouTube and Instagram, while keeping these in mind sets you one step closer to success. Remember, a compelling invitation might unlock the doors for other videos on your channel, so don't spare energy on making your first impression.